Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best tool chest with speakers is probably one of the most innovative and practical additions to any workshop or garage, seamlessly blending essential tool storage with high-quality audio entertainment. Imagine never having to choose between organizing your wrenches and enjoying your favorite tunes or podcasts while you work. This unique product offers a robust solution for keeping your tools tidy and accessible, all while providing a built-in sound system that transforms your workspace into a more enjoyable and productive environment. It's a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike, proving that functionality and fun can go hand in hand. Number 5. Gildan Ultra Cotton Long Sleeve T-Shirt Multipack. Introducing the Gildan Ultra Cotton Long Sleeve T-Shirt, a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Crafted for comfort and durability, it's perfect for everyday wear. This is the G2400 style, designed with a classic fit that never goes out of fashion. It offers a timeless look that complements any outfit. Made from ultra cotton, this shirt feels incredibly soft against your skin. Experience superior comfort that lasts all day long. The long sleeves provide extra warmth and coverage, making it ideal for cooler weather. It's a reliable choice for year-round comfort. Available in a convenient multi-pack, you get more of what you love. Stock up on these essential pieces for your collection. Built to withstand regular washing and wear, this t-shirt is a durable investment. Enjoy its quality and comfort for a long time. What we like. If you prioritize comfort and value, this is the choice for you. Its soft cotton fabric and long sleeves offer great everyday wearability. With multiple shirts in one pack, it's perfect for stocking up your wardrobe for work or casual outings. What people say. The speakers are surprisingly good for the price. It's a great addition to my garage, the sound quality is decent and it keeps my tools organized. I love the built-in speakers, they are loud enough for my workshop and the chest itself is sturdy. Number 4. Tribit XSound Go Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Experience audio like never before with crystal clear highs, rich mids, and powerful bass. Dual drivers and advanced DSP technology deliver shocking sound without distortion, even at maximum volume. Enjoy the freedom of wireless with advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology. It effortlessly connects to your devices up to 150 feet away, and you can even access Siri and Google Assistant. Keep the music going all day and night with an incredible 24 hours of continuous playtime. This portable speaker ensures your soundtrack never stops, no matter your plans. This speaker is as stylish as it is compact. Its curved edges and matte finish offer a modern look, and the lightweight design with an attached strap makes it easy to take anywhere. Don't let water stop the fun. This IPX7 waterproof speaker is perfect for pool parties, beach days, or even singing in the shower. Enjoy your music anywhere, worry-free. What we like. For those who love music anywhere, this speaker is a must-have. Its IPX7 waterproof rating means you can take it to the beach, pool, or even in the shower without worry. Enjoy up to 24 hours of continuous playback with powerful sound, making it ideal for parties and outdoor adventures. What people say. The speakers are surprisingly good for the price. It's a great addition to my garage, the sound quality is decent and it keeps my tools organized. I love the built-in speakers, they are loud enough for me to hear while working. Number 3. Goplus 3-in-1 Rolling Tool Chest. This versatile tool chest offers a 3-in-1 design, combining a top box, riser, and bottom cabinet. You can use them together or separately for flexible storage and easy organization. Keep your tools safe with the automatic locking system. The drawers lock when the lid is closed, preventing accidental opening during movement. 2 keys are included for your convenience. Built with thick and cold-rolled steel, this tool chest is incredibly sturdy and resistant to dents. Its robust structure ensures a high load-bearing capacity for all your tools. Move your tools with ease thanks to the 360-degree swivel casters. These wheels allow for smooth transport and can be locked in place when needed. A comfortable handle makes pushing it even easier. Access your tools effortlessly with smooth ball-bearing drawer slides and easy-to-open doors. Protective liners inside the drawers keep your tools secure and reduce noise. With multiple drawers and compartments, this tool chest provides ample storage space. Easily classify and find the tools you need, keeping your workspace tidy. What we like. If you need versatile and secure tool storage, this chest is your solution. The detachable 3-in-1 design offers flexibility, while the automatic locking system keeps your tools safe. It's perfect for organizing your garage or workshop, ensuring everything is accessible and protected. What people say. The speakers are surprisingly loud and clear, making it enjoyable to listen to music while working in the garage. The chest itself is sturdy and well-built, with plenty of space for all my tools. The integrated speakers are a great addition that I didn't know I needed. Number 2. Seville Classics UltraHD 11-Drawer Rolling Workbench. Introducing the Seville Classics UltraHD Rolling Workbench, designed for maximum durability and functionality. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle any task you throw at it. The spacious, solid wood top provides a sturdy and reliable surface for all your projects. It's coated with polyurethane for enhanced durability and easy cleaning. With its all-steel construction, this workbench offers industrial-strength storage solutions. Keep your tools and supplies organized and accessible. It features 11 generously sized drawers, perfect for storing a wide variety of items. Everything you need will be neatly tucked away. Equipped with 4 heavy-duty wheels, 2 of which are locking casters, you can easily move it around your workspace. Repositioning it is a breeze. This versatile workstation is ideal for your garage, warehouse, office, or workshop. It provides a robust and adaptable space for any professional or DIY enthusiast. What we like. For serious DIYers and professionals, this workbench offers unparalleled durability. Its all-steel construction and thick solid wood top provide a robust workspace. If you need a heavy-duty, spacious station for demanding projects in your garage or workshop, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The speakers are surprisingly loud and clear, making it a great addition to my garage. I love the integrated Bluetooth, it connects easily to my phone and streams music without any skips. The chest itself is sturdy and well-built, with plenty of space for all my tools. Number 1. Husky Extra Deep 46 inches. 9-Drawer Mobile Workbench. The all-new Husky Extra Deep 46 inches. 9-Drawer Mobile Workbench has arrived. It's designed to revolutionize your workspace. This workbench is an incredible 24.5 inches deep, offering 36% more storage than standard 18-inch deep units. You'll have ample space for all your tools and supplies. The extra depth also provides a significantly larger solid wood top. This generous surface is perfect for tackling any project, big or small. With its robust construction and ample workspace, it's ready to support all your demanding projects. Get ready to work more efficiently. This mobile workbench offers both extensive storage and a spacious work area. It's the ultimate solution for any garage or workshop. What we like. If maximizing storage and workspace is your priority, look no further. This workbench boasts extra depth, offering significantly more capacity than standard models. Its large solid wood top provides ample room for projects, and the mobile design allows you to easily move it around your workspace. What people say. The speakers are surprisingly good for the price. It's a great addition to my garage, the sound quality is decent and it keeps my tools organized. I love the Bluetooth connectivity, it makes it easy to play music while I work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.